Holy 3D waves, man. 3D waves. Sheesh, man. How long did it take you to get these waves, man?
3 months.
3 months?
Yeah.
So have you been wolfing?
Yeah.
Ah, man. It's looking nice and sharp, bro.
Yeah.
Jeez, man. So what's your secret, man?
Huh?
What's your secret?
Keep brushing, man.
Keep brushing. What else do you use, man?
Keep brushing. You use the cream.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Alright, man. So what cream do you use, man?
Sporting wave.
Alright, man. That's what's up. That's what's up.
Yeah.
Jeez. So what washing do you do, man?
The washing time. First, you put the shampoo,
Mm-hmm.
and then you keep brushing, and then you use the comb,
Mm-hmm.
and then you keep brushing for a nice 30 minutes,
Uh-huh.
and then you put it on the do-rag, you leave it for like 15 minutes, and then you go rinse it.
Alright.
And then you leave the do-rag for a good like 8 hours, and then you get your laid.
Alright, that's what's up. So you don't use no conditioner, man?
Nah, no conditioner.
Alright, man. You don't have to do this. I'm gonna put you on game after this, man. To get your waves all booming even more, man. But you know, as y'all can see, these are some next level 3D waves, man. Look at the way to be popping, dog. Damn. This, man. Shoot. I got y'all, man. Goodness gracious. So before, did you have a high top or something before you decided to want to do waves?
Yeah. I had a taper fade.
Okay.
That's what I used to do.
Okay. That's what's up, man. So what last words you want to say to the people?
Stay wavy, man.
Guys, so what do you think about the service, man?
It's top 10 service, A1 service.
What's up, man? We just want to say thank you for coming through.
Yeah.
We really appreciate you, man.
I appreciate the service.
You know, where your waves at?
Yeah.
You know, let them know. 3D waves, bro. 3D waves. Jeez. No lacking, huh? What's up, man?
Gotta keep grinding, man.
That's what's up, man. So what do you want to say to all those that are about to start doing their own waves, man?
The own waves, you gotta keep brushing. Consistency is the key, man.